morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another clean with me. I want to make these, I was going to say a monthly thing. I kind of want to do them like at least twice a month because I just feel like, especially in our springs here, it's nice doing like a proper spring clean. I enjoy cleaning so much more in the spring and summer because I feel like you can open the doors, you can open the windows, there's loads of light in, and it just feels really nice. Whereas in the winter I'm like, it is nice but I just want to get cozy on the sofa, so it feels good. As you can see from my outfit, I look like I'm about to go and do ballet or Pilates. Did I buy this outfit specifically for this video? Yes. I hope you guys appreciate that. I just thought it'd be cute to match the theme of today's video, which is a pink clean with me. I love the idea of doing like set colour ones because I also feel like it kind of gives me a chance to, I was going to say step out my comfort zone. I mean, it's cleaning products, come on. But kind of like trying different scents because I feel like I'm such a creature of habit. I'm like, I know what I like, I'll just get the same thing each time. Whereas I feel like this is making me try different things. So let me know what colour theme I should do for my next clean with me in the comments down below. And if there's any products that you recommend. I really want to try the tallow and ash, like they've got loads of different fragrances and products that have come out, so I really want to try those. But before we begin on the kitchen, of course, I want to show you guys the basket of everything that I've got. So I'm just gonna leave you on my tripod here because I just feel like it is so much easier. So I've just set everything up here. I have got everything pink, as you can see. I got all of this from B&M. So we've got some sponges, this I have got a multi-pack of this, which I thought was good for the bathrooms and stuff. A little fake minky, a microfiber cloth. We've got a cherry blossom and raspberry plug-in. We've also got a blossom and breeze plug-in refill from Febreze. I have got my little refill thing here. This is a foam, which I'm so excited for. You squeeze it in your plugs, like in your bathrooms, and it comes out the other end, but it pushes any gunk out. So I'm intrigued to try that. We've got tumble dry sheets, we've got a diffuser for the bathroom, the Lenore Outdoorable. This is Dreamy Jasmine, which looks lovely. So I got that as well as the Unstoppables. Breeze, I've got this duster which I got from Amazon. It comes with loads of refills, so I thought this is really good, and I like the length of it as well. How cute is this dustpan and brush? Is it like the cutest thing ever? That was from B&M. And then we've also got some other, like a room freshener thing from B&M as well. And then I've also got the pink stuff here. You can't see, there we go. Pink stuff, and then the pink stuff brush, which actually comes with battery, so I'm excited to use that around sort of any scum, like soap scum sort of marks. So looking forward to that. So yeah, this is my products for today. I've also got my cleaning checklist here, which I've done a pink background, as you can see. I also got sent some products from Salt and Stone, which look amazing. Black Rose and Oud are the scents that I went for. So we've got a new body wash and body lotion. Would you guys recommend these for like your sink area? Because I'm kind of want to put them by the sink, but then are these too posh? I don't know, but I just love the aesthetic of them. So yeah, that is my cleaning checklist for today. It's basically just a full house speed clean. I've got a few hours to do this because the twins are in nursery. I went and got my nails done this morning, which you would have seen. I don't know if it would have been up before this one or after, maybe after. So yeah, I am on a time limit today, that is for sure. So let's get cracking. I'm going to start off in the kitchen. As you guys know, I've charged the Hoover. Everywhere just needs a good old refresh. I am going to fill up that bowl there with some Zoflora, which I've actually got Midnight Blooms is there. I'm going to fill it with Zoflora and then just disinfect everywhere in the kitchen, wipe the sides. That's my favourite way. I've also got a wash to put on as well, as you can see on the floor there, twin stuff that we've just kind of thrown. So yeah, let's start off in the kitchen. I'm going to make a coffee maybe halfway through because I've had one there, so I feel like I'll need it when I'm kind of flagging a little bit. So let's start. Starting off in the kitchen, of course, I am just cleaning away any mess. On the island, it was actually mostly just the cleaning products I was using for the video today, so ignore that. It wasn't too bad. I did the dishwasher beforehand and then I just washed up any bits and bobs that was in the sink. This always makes it feel so much cleaner. And then I had a look at the sink and I thought, okay, that needs a clean. I got this new device. It's from the Pink Stuff, and it's basically a really strong brush. It's like an electric toothbrush, but for cleaning, and it's incredible. So I used the Pink Stuff paste, popped it on the sink, And you can see I literally just took loads on my hand, evenly spread it out, and then I used the brush to kind of get in there, and oh my god, everything came up. It was so much cleaner after, and it was also so satisfying. You do have to put a little bit of elbow grease in it because, well, to be fair, the sink was really messy, but afterwards I was so happy with it. And then I just used a sponge, as you can see here, to kind of rinse it all after and made it all lovely and sparkly. And then I'd done the exact same on the hob. I've got loads of like stubborn marks, and I thought I'm just gonna do it, and it was so fun. I always think if you get cleaning products that make you more excited to clean, then it just makes things easier, and it really does. So I'll leave links to where I got most of my products in the description box down below, because I did get most of them from Amazon and also B&M. So when I cleaned the hob, I then just got a microfiber cloth. I know it's not pink, but this is the one that I always find cleans the best, like with the hob. It makes it so shiny after. Next up on my list is get a bowl of hot water with Zoflora, and Zoflora is a disinfectant. If you didn't know, it's basically like a disinfectant spray, but in like a solution form, and you can use it in so many different ways. So I've just popped it in a bowl with hot water, used a cloth, and you basically can wipe down all of your sides, your appliances, the backsplash, like everything. Not only will it make your whole kitchen smell incredible, it disinfects. It's like a 2-in-1 situation. I also thought it's a good time to clean the toaster, and I used my new dustpan and brush, and it was so cute. It was really good for like all the kind of little crumbs and stuff. So I really enjoyed that. So yeah, just disinfecting it with the Zoflora and then putting everything back after. This is a pink clean with me. I have these flowers, and I thought it would be so lovely to put them in a little vase on the island with my pink candle, and I'm just bringing you guys all the pink spring vibes. I really love it. Arranging flowers is one of my favourite things to do, and it just really relaxes me, and I love how there's so many different colours. I'm so into colours this year, and I'm living for it. Next up on the list was to make the whole house smell incredible. So I've got this Airwick and also Febreze plug-in that I've just popped in different parts of the house downstairs, one in the hallway and then one in the living room, and oh my god, throughout the day it just smells so fresh. This steam mop, guys, is one of those things, do you know when you're like, how did I never have this before? I'll link it down below. It's like a 3-in-1. It disinfects, it obviously like steams your floor, it hoovers it, and it mops. It's incredible. I really recommend it. Sometimes the twins will like drop a whole bowl of cereal and it will hoover it all up. It's incredible. Next up, put a wash on. I normally do this at the beginning, and then I was like, oh my god, I forgot. So I just wanted to wash our massive throw that we have in the living room. Guys, these cleaning products were incredible. They smell so fresh, really different to what I normally use, but I really liked it. I feel like when you change the scent up, it's really nice because I feel like it's so much stronger. And then I thought it's a good time to just refill all of my containers that I did in my last clean with me, and I still love them. Then going in with the steam mop, I'm just steaming the dining area now, And yeah, like I said, it just makes your whole floor so clean. I've never used a product like this before, so yeah, it's one of those things that I know you guys will love. So again, I'll link it down below. I am just going in with my duster first, just to dust my bookshelf, which you guys know I love. And then I've got this polish. One thing I didn't buy was a pink polish and shine, which I was really confused about when I took all the products out, so that's annoying, but it's fine. And then this is the twins play area. It just needed a little bit of TLC, so I took the whole mat off, and then I thought, okay, I can steam it, and then I'll also steam the mat when I put it back on. Yeah, it's so good. And to be fair, we're really good at keeping on top of their play area, and they're really good at cleaning it as well, so it makes my life so much easier. Moving on to the living room, I just needed to give it a little freshen up. This is our new sofa, guys. I'm obsessed. It's from Sussex Sofas. I'll link it down below. We've got the Carnaby, and when I tell you, it is the comfiest thing. It's like a cloud. But I've also never had so much hate before when I shared it in my last video. So we are so happy with it. It's so comfortable, and that's all that matters. So maybe you can be nicer. Anyway, I'm just dusting, hoovering, and making it all lovely in here. Like I said, we're just really good at kind of keeping on top of it, so it makes a big difference. This Febreze Air Mist is so nice, and it's just so spring. When you spray it on your furniture afterwards, oh my god, it smells incredible. So I like to do it on the sofa, the cushions, the curtains. Sometimes I do it on the stairs as well, so like when people come round, they like get a whiff of it. It's so nice. So this is our little hallway bit. As you walk into our home, you can see it wasn't too messy. It just needed a little bit of a dust and a freshen up. I still love my blue and white wreath. I feel like I should have made a pink and white one for the video. I'm not gonna lie, at this point I had 10 minutes until I had to pick the twins up from nursery. So I was like, right, okay. So I'm not gonna lie, I was speeding along at this point. I just wanted to freshen up my dressing room. My bedroom wasn't actually bad, so I didn't do it in the video today. And then I wanted to quickly do the sink upstairs because I was dying to try this product, and oh my god, the satisfaction levels were high. It was incredible. So I need to go more in depth, but I used this, and then I used that brush that I had before that I was using in the kitchen, and it made the sink so shiny. And then Bradley also came home at this point, so he was like helping me do it as well. And then I just put on one of these Febrezes, which make your bathroom smell incredible. And yeah, that was all I got around to doing because I had to rush to pick the twins up, but the house did smell amazing, and it just felt very spring and bright and tidy. So I have finally finished. Everything feels so lovely and clean, especially downstairs. I feel like I spent a lot of time in the kitchen, but it is like the heart of our home, so I love it. But yeah, please subscribe if you are new to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me. I upload on Wednesdays and Sundays, trying to. So yeah, it just means the world to me if you subscribe. Come and follow me on Instagram, and let me know what colour theme I should do for my next Clean With Me in the comments down below. I love you guys, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!